Hey, KY here. Today we're gonna try to make this Klang style red wine Meesuah. This recipe I sendiri agak one lah. So first you will definitely need quite a bit of ginger. Cut them into slices. The thinner, the better. And once you're done, put them aside first. Next, you are going to have to use some mincemeat, add cornstarch, salt, pepper, and then make them into meatballs. So usually, traditionally, I think it's served with meatballs only. Sometimes they will use meat slices in certain places. I try to do meatball. Then you heat up some oil and then fry those ginger until it is almost on the chao da already, brown until they are very fragrant. Then you set aside. And if you have soup stock, it's time to boil them. If not, you can use chicken cube or something like that. Once the water is boiled, add your meatball. This will take about a couple of minutes or so. When they are good, throw in your Meesuah. Meesuah cooks usually very fast. It's about maybe 45 seconds or so at most. Then you have to take it out already. We are almost there. Then you add your most important ingredient, which is the angqiu. Sometimes they call it red wine, but it's actually maybe yellow wine with 28% alcohol. I put 2 catfuls here, seems to be just nice. And then you top it off with those ginger that we've prepared. And if you have poached egg or onsen egg like I do, I use sous vide to prepare this. It's time to add them in, and this is strictly optional. And there you go. This is the Klang style angqiu Meesuah. I love it. It's very nice. Enjoy!